Good morning, girls. In the previous two classes we have done the definitions and we have done supersets and power sets. I hope those two videos were clear to you and you have done your work. Now next we are starting with disjoint sets. Yes, we have done definition of disjoint sets, but now we are learning what are disjoint sets through Venn diagram. Okay, and this will make your concept clear, because in this we will be learning union, we will be learning intersection, we will be learning subtraction also, how to subtract the two sets. Okay, so let's begin disjoint sets. From the definition, you know that disjoint sets means that not a single element is common in both of the given sets. So here in the example you can see that P is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and Q is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. You cannot see any of the common number in P or Q. Now we have to find P union Q for its solution. P union Q, we will write down the values from the top 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then we will write the values from here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 of Q. The union of these two sets means that all the numbers you will combine and you will write the numbers one time. Since there is not any number common, so it is very easy to write just in the order 1, then 2 from here, 3 from here, 4 from here, 5 from here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And when we have to represent it in the Venn diagram, how we will represent P union Q, this line shows that this will represent P union Q. So P and Q, two different circle you will be drawing, and we are not having any common number or any common member or any common element between these two sets. Write the elements of P in this box, Q in this circle, and just line them. So this represents P union Q. Now I am moving on to P intersection Q. Again, copy the value of P from top, intersecting sign, and then you will copy the elements of Q from top again. P intersecting Q will be empty set, or you can also write this pi sign. Why it is empty set? Because there is not a single element common. Intersection means that you will take out the common element. So I can see that not a single element is common over here, so I will write empty set. It will represent the empty box only. Nothing will be shaded because there is not anything common between them. Then P minus Q. P minus Q, how you will find out? Again, write down the elements from the top above. Again, Q elements from the top above. Now P minus Q will be, always remember that when you are writing P minus Q, learn this, that you will only write the elements of P. Okay, you will only write the elements of P, and if anything is common you will just cut them from here. For instance, if there was any common element in P and Q, I would just cut them. We will learn this more when I will be showing you overlapping sets and subsets. Okay, so here only we will write down P elements. Jab Q minus P you have to find out, you will only write Q elements. How I will show? I will show through these lines. So P only I will highlight because I have to show P minus Q through Venn diagram. I will not highlight Q because this is showing P minus Q. Now come to Q minus P. I have already told you what you will be writing in Q minus P. You will only be writing Q elements, subtracting the P elements. Just drop the P elements and just write down the Q elements. So it will show Q minus P. When you are drawing the Venn diagram also, then also please keep in mind that you will write Q first and then P. So this will show Q minus P. Then Q intersecting P, Q intersecting P, again it will be empty set only. Why? Because there is not a single element common. This is just the same as P intersecting Q, only I have just written Q first and P afterwards. Now I am moving on to the next set.